It's a huge privilege to have Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif with us. I personally feel both of them have delivered their career-best performance in Bharat, and it's wonderful to have you guys together on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you, Faridun. Thank you a lot.
Is it fair to say that I personally feel it's your career-best performance?
Yeah, it's good now that every film that you watch and you say this is the best film of my career, which is a compliment to me. So that you're seeing a growth in me, which is the hugest compliment for me. Now, you yourself said that you saw the film twice over, and once you saw it on a Sunday, and it was house full, and you, आपने भी क्या बोला कि आपको second time you like the film more, yeah. But it is a fact. This is the response that we are getting from just about everyone who's seen the film. कि second time when they've seen the film, उनको picture में बड़ा मजा आया. क्यों second time फिर उन्होंने picture देखी है, you know, the dialogue सुने हैं, the journey देखी है. So they were with the whole film.
Katrina, I've known you since Namaste London.
Yeah.
And what you've done in this film right from the beginning till the end is simply outstanding.
Thank you.
Where was this actress hidden all this while?
I mean, I think
थोड़ा
it's a collaborative effort, right? I mean, filmmaking is always it's a teamwork. It's the director, it's the writer, it's the writing, it's the role, it's the co-star, it's what you create together, it's the whole environment, and that.
I don't agree. She's just being modest.
Magnanimous.
Magnanimous, modest. No, modest. I mean, this is all her doing.
I mean, I felt that from the time I read the script. For me, it was a very instantaneous reaction that this is something that I can do. I can really try and make something out of this. I absolutely loved the role. I loved the way it was written. I loved her dialogues. I loved her attitude. I loved the scenes between Bharat's character and Madam Sir's character. They were so fun.
Various time zones when it is there. So I think even that is very interesting. When you say,
but because it was so well written, like the journey was so well written, you got a good sense. Like I always had a sense of what I was doing. Who this person was, what was she thinking, what were her emotions, what was her connect to Bharat's character, what was she doing in every moment. So I think because the writing and the film gave us that material to work with, it just.
But I think Salman is right that you are being modest, because वो जो shawarma का scene है. और shawarma का जब वो बता रही है कि shawarma खिला के, and when she's walking away and the tears in her eyes, I think
मेरी शादी की उम्र हो गई है.
जी, that's an outstanding scene.
Yeah.
The way she has put it on. It's not merely writing. I think the way you felt me.
I mean, I wanted to do that in this.
She doesn't feel like that, but वो performance में आता है.
I felt that connect to this woman. I felt that connect to this character, and I guess you also try and do that, right? As an artist, you have to keep growing. You have to keep bettering yourself. You want to keep evolving as an actor. I mean, that's something I really believe in. If you're working and you're there on the set, you can just be there like that, and but there's no fun in that. You have to be there to try and really, make a character that the audience is going to relate to, and that they're going to feel.
There are so many scenes of yours, and there are diverse emotions that one feels. Be it the shift one when you say that कोई भी चीजें solve की जा सकती हैं बातचीत से और हिंदी फिल्म.
I believe that.
Everyone is loving that.
Yeah, I believe that. Yeah.
I think the entire scene that you have with Tabu and the build up to that, I think it's simply outstanding. Everyone cries. Well, I have cried.
I have cried.
Yeah.
I have cried. और वो कोई मगरमच्छ के आंसू नहीं थे, ग्लिसरीन के आंसू नहीं थे. वो सीन ही ऐसा था कि वो मुझे खुद कोरोना आ गया.
The sort of collaboration that you've had with Sunil Grover as well, I think it's something which is.
I think Sunil Grover is like one of the most talented artists that I have ever worked with. You see his work. I mean, when he plays characters, he doesn't do mimicry. He plays those characters, and he plays all different kind of characters. और कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि एक character का झलक दूसरे character में आया हो, and then he does mimicry also, like everyone else does mimicry. They're mimicking. He's not mimicking. He's playing that character. He's got every nuance of them. He's got every movement, the body language, the voice, the diction. He's playing that character. That is the most difficult thing to do. So doing so many different characters, he does not even know what is his own character because he's never played that.
Right.
So now for Sunil to come and not play X, Y, Z and play himself was the most difficult task.
We've never seen that from him.
Most difficult task. That. So, I mean, you would think that he is a comedian. He He doesn't do any comedy. He's not doing comedy. He's playing a serious character. The character is making you laugh. And you will see in Sunil Grover ke, like any other comedian, you will see him, you laugh.
जी,
Huh?
जी.
Sunil Grover doesn't have that laughing wala face. He's got a normal hero wala face.
जी.
He loves his work. I mean, that I really, I could relate to and admire in him, because he just loves being on the film set and a film like this, and he knew that he had such a great character. And just you could see his excitement, you know, just to be there and to be part of making a film, and that passion and enthusiasm.
Right.
It's really wonderful.
And kya hota hai ki he, biggest compliment to him, that he didn't try to overshadow anyone throughout the whole film.
Right.
जो अपना काम है वो respect के दायरे में वो काम करो. He understands, he's such a smart man, कि अगर if you'd been too pally to me in the film, you'd have got flagged for it. So he's kept his distance, you know, he's entertained as well. He's played not friend, henchman, he's played a brother in the film.
But so that is being said about you as well, that you have let all the actors around yourself to be themselves, and that is something that so you've not had any this thing that मेरा रोल ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, anything like that. So
बिल्कुल नहीं, वो हर एक आके contribute कर जाता है film के अंदर. तो you cannot ever make a film do well just on your shoulders alone. It has to be, everyone has got to be appreciated, everyone has got to be liked.
Right.
Everyone, every single person in front of the camera or behind the camera has got to be, their work has to be liked. It has to be a collective effort of everyone's work being appreciated, जो कि इस फिल्म में हुआ है.
I think that scene with where you tell Salman sir that Brijinder Kala's character, he has already told you all that shairi. I think that's hilarious.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Actually, that was the first scene I did in the movie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So we had gone to Malta for the first schedule, and I had really built this up in my head that, you know, I have to get this. I had the picture in my head of how I want, you know, Kumud's character to be, and I was just like, nothing was going to come in my way and like distract me. Right. So I was very, very excited and anxious also for that scene, because I wanted to see what feedback I would get, right? Like, I can feel it, but are other people feeling it? So actually that was the only scene that in my entire life Salman has given me a compliment for.
No, I think it's hilarious. And so people are loving all the songs.
False compliment.
You're right.
नहीं था वो.
Pardon, sir?
False compliment नहीं था. It was actually a compliment.
A genuine compliment.
Genuine.
No, definitely.
Genuine.
And so even I think the
But that's
supporting
actually my
cast,
favorite scene in the whole film.
it's hilarious. It is.
That's
simply-
my favorite scene in the whole film.
And even the one when you tell that.
Because it's very real. It's
Ji.
emotional, but it's very real also. It's not it's romantic,
Right.
but there's a very, I don't know, it's like there's a deep connect in that scene. I really like that one.
Supporting cast is, I think, outstanding. You have.
Yeah.
I think Brijinder Kala, as we said,
Yeah, yeah.
he's wonderful.
Yeah, so I
Kumud
worked with
Mishra,
him even in
Sonali
Prem Ratan
Kulkarni.
Payo. He's damn good.
Pardon, sir?
In Prem Ratan Payo, he was
Ji.
really good in
Ji.
that. Really good in that. And I think one or two other films also. But
He's outstanding.
Brijinder, yeah.
He's
और वो जो
outstanding.
comic timing जो है वो
Right.
जो एकदम
Just the reactions.
actually बोल जाते हैं ना, is phenomenal. He's superb.
Right. And so I think if you can take the other supporting cast, Kumud Mishra is there, Sonali Kulkarni is there, and Tabu, I think just one scene, people are loving what she what she has done only in that one scene. Jackie Shroff, I think he's outstanding. People are loving what you guys have come together. So if you can briefly please tell us something about the star cast, the supporting star cast. And
The star cast, I'm the supporting person in there. They're the star cast. They're the ones who made the film work. Or Jackie, you know, say for example somebody else would play it and it wouldn't have looked, you know, that when the father had come back and father ने वादा किया है कि he's actually store मत बेचो, तो वो convincing नहीं लगता. और Jackie's made that whole beginning of the film so convincing that because of the first 5 minutes of the film, you watch that 2.5 hours of the film.
Right.
That's how good Jackie is in the film.
Definitely. And so the Indian cricket team has seen the film.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to get in touch with Dhoni and Kedar for you know, thanking them yesterday, but I think they were busy watching the film. और फिर मैं सो गया. तो आज बात करूँगा किसी वक्त में.
And so one more scene that you have personally really appreciated, the fact that people are getting up during the national anthem in the middle of the.
That's amazing. This is amazing. I mean, box office collections, वगैरह. The thing that has impressed me the most is that everyone stood for the national anthem.
जी जी
मैंने ये ट्वीट भी किया था
जी आपने ट्वीट किया आपने
ट्वीट
ट्वीट किया था एंड यू नो पीपल हैड apprehensions about the fact that that to see Katrina playing slightly a woman who's aging, but I think people are loving those scenes.
press trial में भी in the press trial also
yes,
everyone
sir.
stood up.
Yes sir, we were there.
In our trials also everyone stood
Definitely.
up, and then I got this report that in theatres also everyone was standing.
जी बिल्कुल, definitely, definitely. So the scenes where you are on that scooty, and I think people are loving those scenes.
I mean,
And
for me,
even
that was the toughest portion of the film, because I wanted to get that right, and I wanted it to be very believable, and to understand the body language, to understand what their relationship would be like, you know, how are they going to talk to each other, what's the state of mind, and yet keep those scenes light and entertaining, because it comes in intervals in the film, you know. So I think that especially the last scene is very nice, the way the film kind of winds up with that, you know, whole shadi dance and everything. That was very very nice.
जी people in fact.
Faridun, let me tell you one thing कि हम पिक्चर कितनी भी अच्छी बनाएं, कितना भी पैसा खर्च करें, कितनी मेहनत करें फिल्म के अंदर, जब तक कि ये ऑडियंस हमारे दर्शक हमारे जाके पिक्चर नहीं देखेंगे उसका कोई मायने है नहीं. So all the credit, all the thank yous to all the people who've gone and watched the film, or thank you very much, thank you, shukriya. And for all the people who have not watched it, you know, नहीं देखिए, please go and watch the film. Feedback लेके जाना, feedback लेके जाना, ज़्यादा feedback, ज़्यादा क्या, unanimous feedback ये मिलेगी कि picture बहुत अच्छी है और आपके पैसे उसके अंदर ज़ाय नहीं होंगे.
And biggest opening day for you ever.
Yes, yes.
And which has been, I think, phenomenal.
Yes. And that too, thanks to all the fans who've gone and spent their hard-earned money and the valuable time to go and see a film called Bharat.
Right. And so final thoughts for the director. I think he has written very nicely. I think the
he's done a great job. Very nice. He's done a great job on scale, on writing, on the screenplay. I think he's surpassed even Sultan in this film.
Wow. You say that. Okay. That's wonderful. And you've had, I think, a phenomenal time working with him in the past as well. And I think it's the writing that you're saying again and again.
Definitely. I mean, I think he's growing and he's maturing and only becoming bigger and better with every film. And it's wonderful to see, and I think that's what we all have in common, is we all have extremely passionate about our work and really just want to deliver the best to the audience.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. I think
thanks a lot.
Very important film, and a film about humanity.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.